Good morning, everybody. It's time to wake up because today I'm going to show you how to make a fully loaded vegan omelette, which is packed with flavor and nutrition and is the best way to start your day. So let's get into it. So, the ingredients you will need for this dish is chickpea flour, meatless farm vegan chipolata sausages, avocado oil, sweet peppers, spring onions, black pepper, turmeric, salt, tomatoes, red onions, nutritional yeast flakes, shiitake mushrooms, vegan cheese, and some plant-based milk. Now let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to add my oil into my pan and saute my vegetables. This is going to take up to 5 to 7 minutes. This smells so good. I got that morning hunger. See when it's done. Now that's done, we turn it off and move on to our omelette. So first we add our chickpea flour, our nutritional yeast, black pepper, salt and turmeric, and our oat milk, but you could use any other milk you prefer. And now we give it a good whisk until it's smooth. Now that's nice and smooth, it's time to mix in my vegetables and my ready cooked chipolata sausages. Now this is done, we need to turn it into an actual omelette because I am hungry and my belly is rumbling. So what we need to do is cook this on a medium to low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the sides start to crisp up. And then we flip it and do the same to the other side. So see you after it's done. Now that's done, it's time to sprinkle my cheese on. Place the lid on top and leave that to melt. And then it's finally breakfast time. Now this has been plated for breakfast, it's time to finally tuck in. I've been waiting for this moment. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Tastes delicious.